Yes, una-una nais ko po magpasalamat sa Stala. Sobrang thank you. Lifesaver talaga na nakita namin tong events place na to. Sobrang exceeded our expectation talaga. Wala na kaming hirap, lahat kayo na nag-asikaso. Communication wise, anytime available. So, highly recommended talaga si Stala Events Place. And yun lang, sobrang wala na akong masabi. Talagang excellent service. Thank you.
Thank you, Stala, for making our big event successful. Sobrang magical yung place and para kami nga sa magical place na natupad yung mga dreams namin. And thank you for being so cooperative sa lahat and laging communicative, so hands-on. Grabe yung yung effort nyo and sobrang naging madali yung flow netong mga preparation. Thank you so much and God bless.
Tinanggal niyo yung stereotype ng wedding preparation na sobrang stressful and mahirap.
Yes.
Hindi ganito ang naging experience namin sa Stala. Very smooth, easy, at thank you talaga. Thank you very much.